Hello everyone. Today we are starting 30 days computer basic challenge. Today is day 1. Today topic is introduction to computer. Today we learn in this video is understand what a computer is, learn the basic function of a computer, identify the main parts of a computer, know the common use advantages and limitation of a computer. So let's start. First is what is a computer? The computer is an electronic device that accepts data, process it, store it and produce useful information. Does the computer have a full form? No, there is no official full form of the computer. A popular full form is C for common, O for operating, M for machine, P for particularly use U for useful, U for use for, T for technical and E for educational and R for research. Basic function of a computer. Input. The computer receives data from the user. Example, keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone. Processing. The CPU process the input data and perform calculation. Uh, and third is storage. The computer store data for future use. Example, hard disk, SSD card and pen drive. Output. The process information is displayed to the user. Example, monitor, printer, speaker. Main part of a computer: monitor, CPU, cabinet, keyboard, mouse. Uses of a computer: education, office work, internet browsing, online banking, shopping, gaming, graphic designing, video editing, programming, business. Advantage of a computer: high speed, high accuracy, large storage capacity, multitasking, reliable performance. Limitation of a computer: a computer cannot think on its own. It requires electricity to work. Working input gives wrong output. GIGO, garbage in, garbage out. Real life example: desktop computer, laptop, smartphone, ATM machine, smart TV. Quick revision: a computer is an electronic device. It performs four basic functions like input, processing, storage, and output. The CPU is called the brain of computer. The word computer has no official full form. The computer are fast, accurate, and reliable. Some question for practice. First, what is a computer? Second, write the four basic functions of a computer. Name any four input device. Name any three output device. List five uses of a computer. Write three advantage of a computer. Write three limitation of a computer. What does GIGO stand for? Homework: observe the computer or laptop at your home or school and identify its input, processing, storage, and output components. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.